In this video, I would like to explain and show you, is it possible that anyone can make money trading on the Forex market? A short answer is yes. It is possible to make money. And does anyone earn money, makes money on the Forex? Yes. There are traders who makes money, and I will show you in a simple example how this works. It will be a demo account, but it is the same with a live account. The same scenario, so there is no difference, except this is the virtual money, but compared to the real money, it is the same process, the same trading platform, the same charts, the same tools, everything else is the same. Even the broker can be the same if you would like to have that. Now, does anyone make money on the Forex? It's not easy. This is the first part that you need to understand. It's not very easy to learn how to trade on the Forex. Maybe you can start trading quickly and you can make some amount of money at the start, but eventually you will lose everything, because if you do not have a proper strategy, and that means including the risk management, I will explain a little bit later what that is, you will lose everything because you will not follow certain rules that will give you certain results. If you have a trading strategy, that means that you have already tested all the steps and you already have some kind of a statistics which will give you an edge, that is called in the trading, which means that that will give you a steps eventually, and for example after 10 trades that you will be in profit, which means a profitable strategy. Now, how many people do make money on the Forex? That is information I do not know, because I do not have information how many traders are trading and how many of them are profitable and how many of them are losing traders. So I will not get into that topic, but it is possible to make money on the Forex. Let's go on the example. First of all, I will use gold against US dollar. You can see that here on the chart on the 1 minute time frame, and I will open a new order. That order means that I will open order, I will expose my trading account balance, which is currently $8,203, and I will define where the price will move from the current market price. You can see here on the chart the current market price is 2298. So I need to define, will the price will go up or it will go down. If I define in the correct way, if I define that the price will go down and the price goes down, I will make money. But if the price goes against me, moves up, this will mean I will lose money. So we'll see how the trader can make money and also how the trader can lose money. Here it is, a new order button. I will click on it. And currently I will not go into much details here what is what, but I will simply open one order, which means if I click here, the red button, which means sell by the market, this means that I'm expecting and I am defining that the price will go down. If the price goes down, I will make money. So I will click sell by market. After that, the order has been opened, and you can see here in this window where the terminal is, you can see this is the order with the size 1 where I currently have what is the current profit. The current profit is totally here minus 20. So I need to wait until some time passes, and after that the price goes into my favor or it will go up. It takes time. You cannot simply open an order and quickly make money. Currently I need to see where the price will go. Sometimes I need to wait a minutes, then I need to wait hours, days, weeks. It depends how are you trading. Currently I have just opened a simple example, so I am expecting in a few minutes that the price will go in my direction or it will go against me. But for example, this is the way how the traders are losing money, and that means if I have decided the price will go down but the price goes up, you can see that my loss is increasing. So if I currently close this order, simply clicking this X button, I will have a loss of minus $21, which will here reduce my account balance, which means I will get here to $8,185.64. This is the way how you can lose money. But does anyone makes money? Yes, it is, because if you have predicted the correct way of the price, where the price will move in the future, you will make money. So instead of this minus 26, 27, I could be in profit for certain number of dollars. Now, when to exit, and also when to exit the trade with a profit or with loss, because if currently the trade We can see that here I'm in minus. How much of loss can I accept? Well, that is the stop loss SL here, you can see that, and the take profit levels are for that. I will click double on it, and I will click and change these values on certain amount. For example, I would like to exit from this trade if the price comes very close to the here, which will be 2299, or for example, let's say 30. 2299.30. And the take profit, I would like to get out from this trade when the price reaches this price level, which will be, for example, 2298. 2298. And click modify. And you can see these two lines, these red lines have appeared, and you can see what will be the profit. The profit will be $70. And if the loss, if the price goes against me, I will close this order with a minus of $60. Now you can see how the price has behaved. The price started to move up, I was in loss, but currently I'm in profit. You can see how the price is changing, and I'm expecting that the price will drop down and exit here at this price level. If the price reaches this price level, this will mean I will make money. So this profit will be added here to my account balance, which will be currently $8,203. If I close this one, it will be in plus for $2 or $3. Now, is it possible to trade and to make money? Yes. Does anyone makes money on the Forex trading? Yes, they are making money and lots of money. But how much money can you make? It also depends on your account balance. If you have $100 on your account balance, you will not be able to quickly earn $1,000 per hour, or for example this kind of currently where I have $70 as a target, because $70 of $100 is 70%, where the trader will not be able to open this trade because the broker will not allow you to trade this large lot size. I will not get into details right now. You can check all other videos what is the lot size, but he will allow you to open a smaller trade where, for example, you will make $1, $6, which will be 6% of $100. But if you have $10,000, 1% will be $100. So, for example, if the broker allows you to open the trade where you can, for example, earn 6 or 7% per trade, this will mean you can make $600 or $700. So it's possible to make that money. But to make the money, you need to be profitable. And to be profitable, that means you need to have a proper strategy. A strategy tells you when to open the trade, in which direction will the price go. Will it go up or it will go down? And after that, if you have defined where the price will go, when to enter in the market, when to open this order, at which price, you need to define how much loss are you accepting per this trade. So for example, I have accepted that in this trade, I would like to lose $60 if the price goes against me. But usually I do not want to lose anything, so I will minimize this risk. So I will put this loss as minimum as possible, but it should be defined by your strategy. And the take profit, which means when I will exit from this trade, should be defined by the trading strategy. And why you need to have a trading strategy? Because if you open 10 trades, if you follow those rules, after 10 trades, you will see what is current statistics. Are you profitable or you're not profitable? And also, what is the risk to reward ratio, which means how much money do you risk per each trade compared to the profit. So in this case, for example, I have a minus $60 and I have profit $70. That is almost 1-to-1, which means I'm risking the same amount to be profitable for the same amount. Usually, the best practice is to have 1 against 2, which means if I have $60 as a risk, I should have around 120. In this case, I have put here around 120, but here it is, 130 should be a profit. So after 10 trades, if I have 10 trades profitable, this means I will make money, loss of money. But if I have 50% of trades profitable and 50 loss, this will mean I will be still in profit, because 1 against 2 risk to reward ratio will give me a profit at the end. So this is why you need to have a proper trading strategy and also a risk management that should be in line with your trading strategy, so you can make the analysis after that to see what works, what not. Also, after you have some more of the results, you can see what is working during the market, what kind of patterns are you following, and does your trading strategy, entry level, which means when you enter the market, and the stop loss and take profit are good, or you need to improve something. Now, it is possible to make money. So you can see if I close this order, currently I will have $18 of profit. It is not 25 because I have this commission -7 which broker takes for its cut, but currently I'm in profit for $18, so it's possible to make money. So if the price goes even more down, you can see immediately I have $38 that I can make. So it's possible to earn money trading Forex, but it's not very easy, and you need to be patient and you need to have a proper strategy. If you, for example, if you are trading without trading strategy, you will not know what works, what doesn't work, and you will lose lots of money because sometimes the market can go against you, and you probably, if you do not have this stop loss, you will close this manually, but you will never know when to close, when is the proper time. So emotions like, for example, fear and greed. For example, if I am greedy, currently I have money and I open more trades, for example, sell by market again, and I open another one, sell. So if the market goes in my favor, I will make money. But for example, if the price goes against me, I will lose money. Now you can take a look here. I have first order in profit $27, but I have 2 of them in minus, but totally I am in minus. So opening several orders will not help you to make money, but usually it helps you to lose more money much faster, because if this goes against me, you will see how this loss is increasing because I have 3 trades that are working against me. But if I am in profit, it will be great because these three trades will increase my profit very quickly because they add one to each other. It is possible to make money on the trading Forex. Does anyone makes money? Yes, there are traders that are making money, but it's not very easy. Most of the traders are losing money because they do not have a strategy. They are not patient, and they are greedy, and they have a fear during the trading. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Leave a comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.